Hello, welcome everyone. Benvenuti a tutti. Oof. Today, maybe I let the pressure of my 10K month get to me. Under pressure. Maybe. I'm fine. Emotionally, I'm fine. Mentally, I'm also fine. Mentally in general, the jury's out. But let's go over my day. So all of y'all, and I'm not from a southern state, I'm actually from Canada, but all of y'all who have been coming at me for having a high trade rate, today you're right. Today you can roast me. It says 32 trades. I took 5 trades and I scaled in and out. So with Tradezilla, just so you know, this, for example, looking at my month, I'm still up 7K on the month. It's still a good month. I'm down on the week. Let's get green by the end of the week. Now, this journal has 5 different accounts in one. And every time you add in or add in or scale out of a trade, it counts as a trade. So no, I did not take 32 individual trades. Yesterday it says I took 5 trades. That means I took 1 because I have 5 accounts. 1 times 5 equals 5. So just that little explanation. But today I went a little off the handle. I mean, I took all my entries. One of them is an entry I've been kind of playing around, but I took all my setups. I just took too many trades. So I was 2.1K red, and I got myself up to 1,400 red. I lost a Tradeify funded account, but I did take a payout on it. I paid about $100. I paid $72 for it twice because I failed it one time, and then I got a $1,500 payout. So I got 10 times I guess it's $1,350 when all is said and done. So I got about 10 times the return. So that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. And if you lose it, you lose it. It's part of the prop firm game. Take your money, lose an account, start again. So anyways, let's get into my trades today. So if you've been following me, you know I have the opening range high and the opening range low here marked off with the yellow dashed line. I have the initial balance low set off here, marked off here. The initial balance high had not set yet. Technically the low hadn't set yet either. Oh wait, yes it had, 7:30. So actually I hadn't marked it off yet, but the initial balance high is right there. I just hadn't marked it off. So initial balance high had been broken. This is actually my second trade of the day. This is my first trade. So I have the opening 15-minute opening range high, 15-minute opening range low. We had a bearish open. We had a hold of the New York VWAP 1, 2, 3 times. Maybe something I need to go back at is study these entries. Like, is this just not enough of a breakout? I don't know, the first break. It is technically a break. So it holds New York VWAP, it's below low of day VWAP, and it breaks back outside of the opening range low. Something that is similar to my other one where I tried this and it didn't go my favor is there's the previous day's New York VWAP underneath. Maybe that's something I need to look at. So I'm short here. It's making lower highs and lower lows. There's only, thanks to Edgeful, there's only a 39% chance of both sides of this opening range breaking according to the size, and there's a ton of orders down on the book map, and stocks are like half and half, red and green. So I did mark here the negative is that the previous day's New York VWAP is below us, so I did note that. I did want to see it play out and go break above the previous high structure, and it did, and I was out. That's fine. Take my L. Now my next trade here. Another trade I like is from top of range to bottom of the range, and today ended up being a pretty rangy day, so it's not a bad play. It just didn't work out for me this time. So I entered on the break back into the opening range, was looking to get out at New York VWAP, like nothing crazy, just 7-8 points. Didn't work. There's another L. Maybe I should have walked away for the day, but I didn't, did I? No. I just think I really want that 10K month, and I need to just let go of that and just be like, whatever, if my trades present, I take them, and if they don't, that's okay. And if I take my good losses and I don't get my 10K month, that's okay. If I take bad losses because I didn't stick to my rule book and I don't make the 10K, well, that's annoying, isn't it? So let's look what happened here. We have the high, and you know what? I do want to say on this particular trade, have these mixed up. On this trade, I almost moved my stop to 5,840 because Pax mentioned that he's not bullish until it breaks above 5,840 because for him that's a really strong macro level. So I was like, maybe I should remove it, and then it actually, my stop was actually at 33 here. I don't know why I didn't adjust, but I got stopped out at my stop. It was at 33 here. And I thought maybe I should move it up to like 41. And as I was thinking about doing it, I got stopped out. So that's annoying. That's okay. That's the way it goes. So anyways, as you can see, the price goes to 37, and then comes down, holds the high of day VWAP, which for me is not an indicator to get short, just FYI. But it breaks back into the range. I take it, and I'm a wussy, and I take it as it's holding the low of day VWAP here, which is kind of ridiculous. It's not really an indicator. It's so high up, but I just don't want to have more of a red day, and I think that's the problem after 2 losses. I'm not willing to hold on to a trade to watch it play out. So I took my little win. But at this point, I've lost my other Tradeify account. So I took my win, and then here I got my money back. So some money back. So I held it. This price came all the way down from the opening range high down, which it's not that many points, but down, broke again below opening range low. Now it's broken both sides of the initial balance, which is crazy. That's like so unlikely to happen. So for me, shorts are back in play. So it pulls back up to the New York VWAP, and I enter here on the hold of the New York VWAP. And I get out as it breaks below opening range low for not much, like 7 points, not a lot. And then as it tries to pull, buyers try to take control again, and it breaks back below and holds below the opening range low. I enter again here and get out at like 8 points again. So I'm at minus 140 on the futures desk, minus 200 flat on my Top Step X, and then I'm minus 300 on each Tradeify account. So 600, $800, $950 down on the day. Not bad. I'm not giving up hope for my 10K, but yeah, I took too many trades today. But sometimes it's almost better to like have a bigger red day, but feel better about your trading day than either a green or a small red day and feel like frick, you totally lost control and overtraded. Maybe I'm on my own with that, but anyways, this is my day. I hope maybe you learned something, maybe what not to do. I think I would take all of these trades again though, so I don't know if there's anything I could have done differently. Maybe held on to this one a bit longer, or made my stop higher on this one, not 6 points. Probably should have been up at 840. So anyways, I think those are the things I would change. Thank you for watching. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell your grandma, tell your grandpa, no discrimination here. Ciao. Ciao tutti.